In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change time zone on Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account in Platform Preferences. After the Settings page opens, look for the Account Settings section. In that section, select Business. This will take you to the area where your main business profile and account details are managed. When you arrive on the business page, make sure the Account Details tab is open. In many cases, this tab will already be selected by default. If it is not, click on it to continue. This section contains several important settings related to your Stripe account, including your business information and regional preferences. Next, scroll down through the page until you find the time zone section. Take a moment to locate the correct field, since there may be several settings listed on the page. Once you find time zone, click the drop-down menu next to it. A list of available time zones will appear. You can either browse through the list manually or use the search feature if it is available to find the time zone you want more quickly. Carefully select your preferred time zone from the list. Make sure you choose the correct one based on your location or the reporting time standard you want to use in your Stripe account. After you select the new time zone, review the setting before saving. This is important because your chosen time zone can affect how times and dates appear in your dashboard, reports, and account activity. Confirm that the displayed selection matches the time zone you intended to use. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the change. Stripe will then update your account settings with the new time zone. After saving, check the time zone field again to confirm that it now shows your updated selection. This final check helps ensure that the change was applied successfully. That is the full process for updating the time zone in Stripe. It only takes a few moments once you know where to find the setting, and the updated preference should now be reflected in your account details. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.